Hello, here's something interesting. Analyses often replace thinking. Analyses acts as a sign of seriousness. Charts and indicators create an impression. Decisions are made rationally. However, analyses often replace thinking. This happens without understanding the context. The problem is not with the analysis. The problem is in how it's used. Also, when analysis is requested, the goal is to confirm an existing feeling. Furthermore, it then ceases to be a tool. It merely becomes a justification. Thinking then stops. The answer has already been pre-selected. Many analyses in crypto do not explain reality. They simplify it. Reality then appears predictable. This creates a false sense of security. However, reality often does not behave according to analysis. Therefore, the blame is shifted to the market. It is not shifted to assumptions. Analysis is by definition a reduction. It isolates some factors and ignores others. However, if one forgets that it is a simplification, analysis is perceived as truth. Therefore, flexibility of thinking is then lost. February reminds us that analysis must not replace questioning. It can help to see part of the picture. However, it does not show the whole picture. When analysis becomes the focal point, understanding narrows. Thinking is slower than analysis. It involves doubt and re-examination. It also includes the willingness to say, "I don't know." Analysis often offers